years ago. The period around 4.7 million years ago in East Africa marks a critical point in human evolution. It was a time of significant change, with environments shifting from dense forests to more open woodlands and grasslands. The early hominins of this era, such as Ardipithecus ramidus, were not tool-making hunters, but their survival was a testament to a unique set of physical and behavioral adaptations. Contrary to the long-held savanna hypothesis that our ancestors evolved on vast open plains, the fossil evidence for hominins like Ardipithecus suggests they lived in a more varied habitat. Their world was a mosaic of woodlands and forests with patches of grassy areas and lakes. This environment was rich in resources but also presented constant threats from predators. Their survival depended on their ability to navigate and exploit both arboreal or tree-dwelling and terrestrial or ground-dwelling niches. Ardipithecus ramidus was a generalized omnivore. Their teeth, which were neither specialized for hard-shelled nuts like later hominins nor for soft fruits like modern chimpanzees, indicate they had a varied diet. This dietary flexibility was a key to their survival. They likely consumed a wide range of foods including fruits, leaves, nuts, and possibly small animals, insects, or eggs. This ability to eat many different things meant they were not dependent on a single food source, making them more resilient to environmental changes. One of the most defining and important adaptations for these early hominins was bipedalism, the ability to walk upright on 2 feet. While the bipedalism of Ardipithecus was not as efficient as that of later hominins, it was a profound evolutionary shift. Their skeleton shows a combination of features: grasping feet for climbing trees and a pelvis adapted for walking on the ground. This dual locomotion ability offered several survival advantages. Energy conservation: walking on 2 legs is more energy efficient for covering long distances, especially for finding food and water. Free hands: standing upright freed up their hands to carry food, infants, or rudimentary defensive tools like sticks. Thermoregulation: a vertical posture exposed less of the body to direct sunlight, which would have helped them stay cooler in the African heat. Like most primates, early hominins were social creatures. They lived in groups for protection against predators and for cooperative foraging. While the exact social structure is difficult to reconstruct, the lack of significant size differences between males and females in Ardipithecus suggests a relatively low level of male-male competition, which may point to more stable social bonds and less aggression than seen in some modern apes. This cooperation would have been crucial for raising offspring and sharing resources. The survival of hominins like Ardipithecus was not based on advanced tools or hunting, but on their ability to thrive in a complex, changing environment. Their combination of bipedalism, a versatile diet, and a social structure laid the foundation for the dramatic developments that would follow.